Hi there, my name is Andres from Staking. Today we're going to cover how to stake Sui using Sui Wallet. The first thing we want to do is download the Sui Wallet on your browser. We're going to go ahead and create a new one. This part is very important. Always keep your secret seed phrase secure, because if you lose this, you will lose your funds. So now the next step is fund your wallet. We're going to go ahead and copy our wallet address. This is our other wallet that has been staking for 1 day already. We're going to send some funds over from here. Keep in mind, staking and sending funds will require a very small amount of Sui. Now that we successfully funded our new wallet, let's go ahead and stake it directly from the Sui wallet. For this exercise, we're going to use our trusted validator Staken. Set the amount you wish to stake with a minimum being 1 Sui. Once you verify the information, just go ahead and click Stake Now. And that's it. You successfully staked your Sui. Nice! After 1 day of staking the 1 Sui, this is how it would look. By the way, no need to claim your staking rewards, for it will auto-compound. So what about if you want to unstake it or unlock your funds? This is how to do it. This is Sui Explorer. We can find a lot of information, just like the epoch, which just finished, as you can see right here. You will be able to gain staking rewards and be able to unstake after the first epoch, which lasts 24 hours. You can also stake more by clicking right here. Let's go ahead and unstake and see how easy it is. Remember, you will need a very small amount of Sui for gas. And that's it. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Till the next one.